Good morning students. I am Aarti Rakhe and today I will explain you English Reader chapter 1. Its name is Above or Below. Students, it is a very interesting story about Mullah Nasiruddin. It is a folk tale and its main character is Mullah Nasiruddin. Okay. As you know that our story title is Above or Below. First of all, we will see that what is the meaning of above. Above means higher level, upwards of the surface, and what is below. Below means it at lower level or downwards of the surface. Okay, now we will start our story. Mullah Nasruddin was very happy. The king had allowed him to use some land to grow crops. Now, this land had given him a good crops. What is crops? Crops means like vegetables and grains that farmers grow in large amounts. He had sold the crops and made a profit. Now, profit means to get some good out of something or any kind of gain. For example, if you buy something for rupees 10 and then sell it again for rupees 12, means you make profit of rupees 2. Okay. Now, as you can see here that there was Mullah Nasiruddin and he was very happy. Why? Because king had gave him some land to grow crops and he sold that crops and made money. Okay, now we will see what happened next. But someone else was not happy. A courtier means a person who attends a royal court as an advisor to the king or queen. Okay, a courtier at the king's palace was jealous. Jealous means unhappy and angry because someone has something that you want. Okay. Now, Nasruddin has a lot of money now. Why should he have all that money? He thought to himself. After, after all, the land belongs to the king. The jealous courtier went to the king. Means there is one of the courtier was unhappy to see that Mullah got land from the king and he earned so much money. So he was very jealous to Mullah Nasruddin. So he went to the king. Your Majesty, he said, you gave the mullah land and permitted him to grow crops in it. Permitted means officially allowed to do something. It is now time to sow the new crop. Will you allow me to have half of what the mullah grows this year? I have a large family and the money would be useful. So he went to the king and said, Your Majesty, you gave the mullah land and permit him to grow crops. Now, again time to sow new crop. So if you allowed me to have half of what mullah grows this year, because I have a large family and money would be useful for me. Now what happens next? The king ordered Nasruddin to give half of his crop to the courtier. Nasruddin went to the king. Your Majesty, he said, which portion of the crop does your courtier want? Does he want the part that grows above the ground, or does he want the part that grows below the ground? The courtier, who was standing nearby, immediately replied, I will take the part that grows above the ground. Means, when the king agreed and he ordered Nasruddin to give part of his crop to the courtier, then Nasruddin went to the king and said, Your Majesty, which portion of the crop does courtier want, below the ground or above the ground part? So at that time, the courtier was also standing there and he immediately replied, I'll take the part that grows above the ground. Now, the next crop was also a good one. The courtier asked Nasiruddin for his share. Nasiruddin said, Your share is in the barn at the back. Now, barn means a long farm building used for storing grain or straw. The courtier hurried to the barn. In a few moments, he came back. He was very angry. What is this meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? There are only some useless leaves in the barn. What am I supposed to do with the leaves? I want a fair share of the crop. Now, a fair share means to get the same amount as someone else after dividing something. Now, next, what happened? When the next crop gets ready, the courtier asked about his share. So, Mullah Nasruddin said, Your share is in barn. So, he go fast to the barn and in a few moments he came back. He said, angry, What is this? What I'll do with these leaves? I want fair share of my crops. But Huzur, replied Nasiruddin, I have given you a fair share of the crop. You wanted what grow above the ground. I grew carrots this year, so I am giving you all that grew above the ground, the leaves. Means, now Nasiruddin replied, But I have given you a fair share of the crop. Means, you want your share, which is above the ground. And this year I grew carrot, as we all know, which is grew under the ground. And in this way I am giving you all that grew part above the ground, which is leaves, and exactly you want above part. So I am giving you your part. Okay. So students, you saw the answer which was given by Mullah. It shows his cleverness. Okay. I hope you very well understand and enjoy this story. Now we will study about the vocabulary of this chapter. First word is profit. Profit. To get some good out of something or gain. Courtier. A person who attained a royal court as a advisor to the king or queen. Jealous. Unhappy and angry because someone has something that you want. Permitted, officially allow to do something. And portion, a part of something. Okay. Now students, I hope you understand this first chapter very well. Thank you.